check what? Oh, okay. Yes, we're on camera.
Rubber. What a pecan.
Tears coming out my eyes.
Stop. See, no, it's all.
This is all you can, isn't it? All you can from Corbly. Oh, my stomach. My stomach is killing me. Oh, my stomach is fucking killing me.
Your stomach.
Oh, that belly. Oh, this is how Canadian should be.
My abdominals sore.
Oh, oh, this tears coming down my eyes. Rosonia, I can't live here right now. Rory, you better be watching this.
I love you. I love Ireland.
Oh, stop, my stomach's killing me. I'm laughing so much.
To me. Oh.
Do you want this? This is hilarious. Hello, Richard. Hello, Richard.
Give me my jacket back. Give me my jacket. Hiccups. Hiccups.
By the way, the smell of cinnamon of my jacket, or my coat, or my scarf.
Or the candle.
Yeah, oh my god, I nearly puked her gone.
Can you bring in my jacket, please?
What?
Can you bring in my jacket?
Oh, my stomach's killing me. My stomach's killing me.
Baby, please. Frighten me! Frighten me!
There you go. Give me the hiccup.
I'm gonna puke.
Oh, Cassie! Don't do it right now.
That's going to update that.
Fair enough. So much fun.
Cut. Deep breath.
No, I tried that like... Oh.
Do yoga.
Yoga.
Oh, my stomach is killing me from laughing so much. I was going to heave.
Oh, I'm going to heave.
Oh, damn right.
Please, yours have please, thanks.
Fair enough. Yeah, sure.
I'm wishing that.
Hello, people.
Hi.
ID, please, ID.
We're leaving.
No, $5. $5. One more hiccup. Watch this, girl. You're
No.
going to great laugh.
I think it's
Great laugh here.
I really can't.
Very good.
Okay.
No. Why did I join my drink? I wanted to.
Give me one more soap before I finish. I thought you were going to puke on me.
I was going.
I will, of course. I'll stop.
Let's raise an aging workout. My tummy's
Hello, Christopher.
That's bloody bright.
She's puked everywhere already.
I haven't. He should be hiccuping the last 10 minutes ago.
Great fun.
Oh. You feeling better?
No.